students, the question is P1 is given 100010001, P2 is given, P3 is given, P4 is given, P5 and P6. There are 6 matrices are given. Now if we observe carefully, then P1 is identity matrix. So I can say P1 and P1 transpose both are same. In fact, if I calculate transpose of P2, then first row is 100, first column is also 100. Second row is 001, second column is also 001, third row is 010, third column is also 010. Okay. So it means P2 and P2 transpose also same. Similarly, P3 and P3 transpose is same. P4 and P4 transpose is same. P5 and P5 transpose is same. And P6 and P6 transpose is also same. Okay. Now here there is one information given: x is equal to summation of k is equal to 1 to 6 of pk into 213102321 into pk transpose. Okay. Now here in this information there is one matrix given. Let us consider that matrix as A. So let A is equal to 213102321. Okay. Now here if I observe carefully, then A transpose is again same as A. So I can say here A and A transpose both are equal. Okay. So this information is given. Then we have to check how many options are correct. Okay, so first is X is symmetric matrix. Now how to check whether the given matrix is symmetric or not? Just simply calculate its transpose. If the transpose is same as the original matrix, then we can say that the matrix is symmetric. Okay, so here X is equal to, I can say P1A P1 transpose plus P2A P2 transpose plus P3A P3 transpose plus P4A P4 transpose plus P5 plus P5A P5 transpose plus P6A P6 transpose. This is our matrix X. Now we have to calculate its transpose. Okay, so X raised to T is equal to P1A P1 transpose plus P2A P2 transpose plus P3A P3 transpose plus P4A P4 transpose plus P5A P5 transpose plus P6A P6 transpose, the whole transpose. Okay, now we know that A plus B transpose can be written as A transpose plus B transpose, and AB transpose can be written as B transpose into A transpose. Okay, so here I can say X transpose is equal to, now for this let us say this is my A, B, C, D, E, F. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F, the whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose plus C transpose and so on. So here I can say P1A P1 transpose, the whole transpose, plus P2A P2 transpose, the whole transpose, and so on till P6A P6 transpose, the whole transpose. Okay, now here there are three matrices in multiplication, A, B and C. So A, B, C transpose is C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. Okay, so I can say here P1 transpose ka transpose into A transpose into P1 transpose, plus this is P2 transpose transpose, A transpose and P2 transpose. Similarly, this is P6 transpose, the whole transpose, then A transpose, then P6 transpose. Okay, so X transpose is equal to, now P1 transpose ka transpose is same as P1, A transpose is same as A from this information, and P1 transpose plus this is P2A P2 transpose and so on. This is P6A P6 transpose. Now we can consider we can see that this is very much equal to X. So since X transpose is equal to X, we can say that X is symmetric matrix. So since X is symmetric matrix, what is given here? X is symmetric matrix. Yes, first option is correct. Okay. Now next is, okay, let us first try to see the D option. What is given in D option? X into 111 is equal to alpha into 111, and we have to prove that alpha is 30. Okay. Now here let matrix B is 1 1 and 1. So basically, we have to prove that. So we have to prove that X into B is equal to alpha into B, and we have to prove that alpha is 30. Okay. So here let us calculate X into B. Now what is X? X is P1 A P1 transpose into B plus P2 A P2 transpose into B till P6 A P6 transpose into B. Now here P1 is identity. So identity into A into identity into AB. So I can say this is P1 AB only. Similarly here P2A P2 transpose into B. So if you multiply P2A, now here since P2 and P2 transpose both are same, I can say this is same as P2AB. Similarly P3, I can write P3AB till P6AB. Okay. So if I take AB common, in the bracket I'll get P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5 plus P6. Okay. Now since addition is possible because all the matrices from P1 to P6 all are having order 3 by 3. So if I add, I will get 2 2 2 because this one and this one will get added. Similarly this one and this one will get added. So each and every position I will get 2. Now here AB. So let us first calculate A into B. What is A? A is 213 102 321 into B is 1 1 and 1. Order is 3 by 3 here, 3 by 1. So 3 and 3 same, yes. So matrix multiplication possible. So when I multiply, I'll get 6, then 3, and then 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Okay. So here this into, this is 6, 3 and 6. Okay. So when I multiply this, so again here matrix multiplication possible. So when I multiply, so 12 plus 6 plus 12. Here 12 plus 6 plus 12, and here also 12 plus 6 plus 12. Yes. So this is 30, 30 and 30. So if I take 30 common, I will get 1 1 1. So yes, if I compare this with alpha B, so I can say that alpha is equal to, therefore alpha is equal to 30. So that's what here given. Therefore this is also correct. Okay. Now till now we prove that XB is equal to 30B. Okay. Now if I shift this to the left hand side, so XB minus 30B is equal to 0. So this is X minus, if I take B common, so I'll get X minus 30 times identity is equal to 0. It means determinant of X minus 30I into determinant of B is equal to 0. Now this is non-trivial solution. 1 1 and 1. So this determinant of B cannot be 0. So it means mod of X minus, determinant of X minus 30I is 0. Now since determinant of X minus 30I is equal to 0, that is X minus 30I is non-invertible matrix. Non-invertible matrix, it means X minus 30I has no inverse since determinant is 0. So what is given here? This first is correct, third is correct, then X minus 30 is invertible. No, this is wrong. So option C is incorrect. Now we have to check the second option, that sum of the diagonal entries of x. Now let us again write x. What is x? P1A P1 transpose plus P2A P2 transpose till this is P6A P6 transpose. Okay. Now here diagonal entries are called trace. Okay. So trace of x is same as trace of P1A P1 transpose plus P2A P2 transpose till P6A P6 transpose. Okay. So trace of x can be written as trace of P1A P1 transpose plus I can write trace of P2A P2 transpose till trace of P1 P6A P6 transpose. Okay. Now here trace of x is same as, now since P1 is identity matrix, so P1 into A is again A and A into P1 transpose is again A. So here transpose of this is A only plus now transpose of P2A P2 ट्रेस ऑफ P2A P2 ट्रांसपोज एक कैलकुलेट करके देख लेते हैं. सो P2A P2 ट्रांसपोज. नाउ P2, व्हाट इज P2? 100 001 and 010. P2A is 213 102 321 and P2 transpose is same 100 001 010. Okay, now if I multiply first and second matrix, I'll get 213, then 321, and then 102 into 100 001 010. So here if I multiply this, I will get 2, then 3, then 1, then here I'll get 3 1 2, then here I will get 1 2 and 0. Okay, now if you calculate trace of this and if you will calculate trace of A, now what is trace of this? Therefore trace of P2A P2 transpose is 2 plus 1, that is 3, and trace of A is also 3. So similarly this is same as trace of A, so the remaining one also will be trace of A only. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here 6 times trace of A, so that is 6 times. What is trace of A? That is 2 plus 0 plus 1, so 6 into 3, that is 18. So what is given here? Yeah, 18 is given. Okay, so we can say that correct options are A, B and D. That's it. Thank you.